Welcome to Easy Breezy Math. On my whiteboard today, I'm going to do a video on order of operations and why we should never use PEMDAS. There's a better way. Okay. So I've got about four problems that all involve order of operations on the board. And I'm not going to say things like, oh, PEMDAS is a sin. It's the devil. You can never use it. But in a way, if you want to go to higher math, you need to do a better job of understanding the math and not going to an acronym. A lot of my videos are going to be based on this, and this is just one of them. Let's go through this and let's see what we really have, and let's approach the problems that way. If we take and break these down as to what's really going on, that's going to help us understand the math more, and it's going to make it easier, and we're just going to fly through it. Watch, you'll see. All right. So first I have in grouped up, this is a group, it's in parentheses, 6 squared plus 18 minus 8 plus 2. Okay, so right away there's some things in here we want to make sure we don't treat this as a 6. That's not a 6, right? That is 6 squared. That's 6 times 6. So I know that's 36 there. Then when I have this 36, I can go minus 18 as long as I go 36 minus 18. But 18 minus 8 is just 10, right? So now I have 36 plus 10, that's 46, plus 2 is 48, and I'm done. That's it, all right? Again, just focusing on what I really have. What do I really have here? What we don't want to say is, oh, this is the 2 squared. This is a group together. So together, we're going to put that together. What's 8 minus 2? That's 6. 6 squared is 36. So here I have a 4 squared. That's not a 4. That's a 4 times 4. So I have 16 plus 36. Simple as that. 16 plus 36 will in fact give me 52. Okay. Next one, again, just going to focus on what I have. It looks like I have another 16. Then I have 6 plus 3 times 5 in this group. Now, this is important here to notice that this is not a 3. This is telling me a whole story here. I have to pay attention to this. This is a story. This is not a 3. This is 3 fives. That's what that is. That's 3 fives. 3 fives is 15. 6 plus 15 is 21. 21 plus 16 then is 37. That was 16 and that was 21, and I'm just adding them together. Okay, simple as that. Let's look at the last one. Got a lot going on the last one here. I have 6 times in a group, 28 divided by 7 plus 14 divided by 7, in parentheses plus 8. Okay, so in this particular problem, I can't go in here and say, oh, I see the 7 plus 14. That's where you want to make sure we're not doing that. This tells me a story, and this tells me a story. This is say I have 28 and it's being divided by 7. That's really what? That's a 4 on this side, and this is 14 divided by 7 too. So that's 14 being divided by 7. This is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 times 6 then is 36 plus 8, which is 44. Okay, again, I didn't once mention or go through PEMDAS, those steps. Is unnecessary to do that. The main reason why is because you get a deeper understanding of the math this way. I know we want to just go to a quick acronym and say, oh, but the acronym, it gives me, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, and I got it. I know how to do it based on that. That's okay, but it's not going to get you to the higher math. Once you get to things like calculus, all those little acronyms go out the window and you're wondering, where's my acronyms? Well, we need to understand it to get to that deeper level. All right. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.